Unlock the best of Charlotte this summer without breaking the bank. Charlotte offers a treasure trove of fun, budget-friendly activities perfect for summer day out where you don't have to spend a fortune. Whether you're a Charlotte local or just visiting, there are plenty of ways to enjoy the city's offerings without spending a lot. But here's where it gets interesting. Laura White, with nearly 2 decades of experience at the Charlotte Regional Visitors Authority, highlights how summer can be both fun and affordable. Check out this lineup of free activities for an unforgettable summer. Splash and Cool Off. North Mecklenburg Park, Pineville Lake Park, and Waverley offer splash pads where kids can dive into cool water fun. Imagine a day full of laughter and water games in these refreshing spots. Outdoor Adventures. Stream Park and the Bowl at Ballantine feature climbing structures, slides, and spacious green areas perfect for a family picnic or some outdoor fun. Movie Nights Under the Stars. Enjoy free outdoor movies at 4th Ward Park every Friday evening. Bring your blankets, grab some popcorn, and relax as the sun sets and the movie begins. Creativity for kids. At Camp North End, your children can dive into art pop-ups, play with giant Legos, and discover vibrant murals. It's not just playtime, it's a way to spark their creativity. Aviation Enthusiast Paradise. Airport Overlook Park features a playground where kids can watch planes taking off and landing. An exciting combination of fun and learning. Interactive fun at Imagine On. The Curious George exhibit offers an immersive experience where kids can play mini-golf, build wind-powered designs, and dive into hours of creative exploration. And Culture Night. On Wednesday evenings, immerse yourself in Charlotte's rich artistic scene. Get complimentary access to museums like the Mint Museum and the Beckler Museum of Modern Art from 5 to 9 p.m. Though note that some special exhibits may require a small fee. Family Bowling. Queen Park Social, Spare Time, and Dave & Buster's offer incredible deals on bowling for kids. Besides having a blast in the alley, your little ones receive bonus arcade credits to enjoy more games. And this is the part most people miss. Charlotte's appeal isn't just about the exciting attractions. It's about exploring the city from a local's perspective and discovering hidden gems right in your backyard. What are your thoughts on these hidden summer treasures? Do you think exploring local spots can be just as exciting as travelling far and wide? We'd love to hear your opinions and experiences in the comments.